A mistake.
I ruined it!
A mess. A friend who almost gave up, but didn't.
Accidents happen.
This is Tom's story. Try again, and by the end, what to say the next time you make a mistake.
Every day, we make mistakes. But what happens after a mistake? That is what matters most. Today, Tom has an important school project. He is excited, but soon, something goes wrong.
Have you ever felt worried about making a mistake? Let's find out what happens to Tom.
This is Green Valley School. Today, Mr. James gives the class a special project.
Today, you will work in pairs. Please build a small model of our town.
Let's build the best model in the class.
Yes, I have a great idea.
They work carefully together.
Can you glue this house here?
Sure, I've got it.
The classroom is full of energy. Everyone wants to finish a great project. Suddenly, Tom's hand slips. Glue spills across the model.
Oh no, I ruined it!
It's okay, Tom. Accidents happen.
Tom feels very disappointed. He worked so hard, and now the project is damaged. After class, Tom walks home alone. He is thinking about what happened.
I always make mistakes. Maybe I'm just not good at this.
Grace, a kind neighbor, sees Tom and comes to sit beside him.
You look sad, Tom. What happened today?
I made a mistake, and I ruined my project.
Mistakes are not the end. They are the beginning of learning. Every expert was once a beginner who made many mistakes. The important thing is to try again.
You're right. I can fix it tomorrow.
The next day, Tom comes to school early with new determination.
Let's rebuild it together.
Thank you for helping me, Lily.
Together, they finish an even better project than before.
Let's review today's important English words.
Say this sentence with me. It's okay to make a mistake. Try it slowly.
Remember, class, mistakes help us grow.
Thank you for watching Green Valley English.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and subscribe for more English stories.